Are you a homeowner struggling with a leaking roof on terrace causing endless headaches? Introducing our expert Terrace roofing contractors. We specialize in delivering top-notch roofing solutions tailored to your unique needs. With our skilled team of professionals, we assess your roof's condition, offering reliable repairs or complete renovations as necessary. Our commitment to quality craftsmanship ensures that your terrace area is not only protected but also enhanced, with aesthetically pleasing designs that complement your lifestyle. Say goodbye to leaks and worry. Our terrace roofing solutions are designed to provide long-lasting durability and peace of mind. Plus, we use the best materials available, ensuring your roof stands the test of time and protects your investment. Ready to transform your terrace area? Contact us today for a free consultation and experience the difference that expert terrace roofing can make in achieving a safe and beautiful space for you and your family. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.